The water treatment journey for the city of Wyoming starts on the shores of Lake Michigan. Wyoming's water treatment plant, originally constructed in the early 1960s, provides drinking water for almost 200,000 West Michigan residents. Water is pumped from the lakeshore inland to the plant for treatment. The control room is where water plant operators monitor and manage water as it gets treated within the plant and pumped out into the distribution system. The water plant can treat up to 120 million gallons of water per day at maximum capacity. In the winter, the average water usage is about 30 million gallons per day. During a hot summer day, the plant treats up to 95 million gallons per day. Raw Lake Michigan water enters the plant where it is mixed with a flocculant. This is the start of a process where solids become attracted to one another, forming a larger solid that can settle out and be removed. When the water slows down, solids can settle out on something called an incline plate. As solids collect, they settle out to the bottom of the chamber. The clear water then continues through additional treatment. Water is further passed through a filter of sand and carbon to remove any additional solids, before becoming finished water. Chlorine and fluoride are added during different parts of the treatment process to meet regulatory standards. The city has interconnects with several other water-producing agencies along the lakeshore. These allow communities to supply water to one another in the event of an emergency. These pumps are used to pump water into storage tanks and through the transmission mains all the way to the city of Wyoming. The drinking water plant has a modern laboratory where chemical and bacteriological tests are performed to make sure that the water is safe to drink. After treatment, water is pumped through large transmission mains 33 miles to the GEZON pump station. Along the way, various West Michigan communities are supplied with water from the Wyoming drinking water plant. At the GEZON pump station, water is kept in storage tanks. These tanks feed the water distribution system for the city. Several other large storage tanks are located throughout the city, pressuring the distribution system and ensuring that there is enough quality water for city residents.